Off of Cypress Gardens Road, there's a area that can stop pretty quickly. Some people will try to turn to a gas station, and there's not a turn lane there. So someone driving an Altima hit me in the back of my SUV. Fortunately, with the height difference, it only hit like my bumper, really only damaged the bumper. But I did have an impact, I felt it. I definitely sustained some damage, that sort of unseen, not necessarily felt till later on sort of situation. In my shoulders area, close inward towards my spine that I've had. Well, so this is my second accident that I've resolved with Brooks. I would say that would be valid. Back then, how I found out about you was honestly probably just through Google. I think I just searched personal injury or accident law group, I don't know. And that's where it came up. Honestly, I forgot about it. To the point that, that's how much Brooks handled it. I suppose, as I had completely forgotten about it by the time I was done with treatment. And then I got a text from her one day and I was like, oh, yeah, it's still ongoing. So, and the actual outgoing amount that I am receiving is about 3 times what I was expecting. So I did appreciate the personal touch. Roberto, instead of throwing it off on the case manager, called me, talked to me, gave me options. Yeah, I've never had any issues. I didn't have any frustrations, and that's usually, in this day and age, there's a lot of incompetent people in office roles, and I didn't feel that with Brooks. Like I said, my attorney was very responsive, and if I ever said, hey, I'm trying to get in touch, I usually can hear back from him within 24 hours, which is, for an attorney who has a case manager, in a lot of cases at a law group, it's a great turnaround time. So